Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use voice typing in Windows 11. So you can speak to type anywhere, even in Notepad. First, you just need to open the Notepad or any app where you can type like Word, Chrome or even WhatsApp web. Now you just need to press in keyboard shortcut Windows key and H key in your keyboard and select the yes, I'll contribute voice clip. Select start voice typing and this will open the voice typing panel at the bottom of your screen. Just click on the microphone and it will stop recording and again click on the microphone icon or just press in Windows plus H key to start voice typing. And now it start typing and Windows will automatically convert your voice into text. Let's test it in here in Notepad. This is a voice typing test in Windows 11. You can use it anywhere. See that guys, it types exactly what you say instantly. You can use this voice typing feature anywhere. You can type text in browser, chat app or search bars or documents. So that's how you can use voice typing in Windows 11. Just press the Windows key plus H key and start speaking. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more quick Windows tips.